Are you struggling to market your small business? AI can help you compete with larger companies. AI can boost marketing effectiveness by up to 30%. A McKinsey study showed that AI can analyze customer data and optimize marketing campaigns. Take a look at Sephora. They use AI to personalize their marketing campaigns and improve customer experience. AI can also help you save time and resources. By automating tasks like data analysis, you can focus on growing your business. So, don't be intimidated by AI. It can be a valuable tool for marketing your small business. Ready to give it a try?